Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Today we'll be making curry chicken back. So guys, I've got my chicken back here washed and clean. I'll be adding wet seasoning that contains onion, scotch bonnet pepper, scallion, all that good stuff that goes in a wet seasoning, or you can call it green seasoning. Now I'll be adding black pepper, all-purpose seasoning, chicken seasoning, garlic salt, Maggi seasoning, and I'll be adding curry powder. I'm using better pack curry because after pack curry has a better flavor and I just love it. It's one of my favorite. Now I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of olive oil and we're going to give that a really good mix. Please be sure that your hands are clean, or if you want to use gloves you can. Once everything is rubbed together, I'll be adding olive oil to my pot on medium heat. Then I'll be adding crushed garlic, 1 teaspoon of curry powder because we want to burn our curry. Once my curry is burned, I'll be adding my chicken one by one. As you can see, all my chicken is in my pot. I'll be adding room temperature water to my pot and then we're going to let it sit and cook for 30 to 45 minutes. Here I am cutting up my potato really well. I'm going to wash it and then we're going to dice it into small pieces so that when the chicken is almost ready, we can. You can add carrots if you like, but today I'm using potatoes, and the potato is going to give our gravy thickness and body, and that's what I want. Once all my potato is diced, I'll be adding fresh thyme and my potato to my pot and let that cook for 10 minutes. So here you have it guys, curry chicken back, one of my favorites. I really love this dish. It's quick, it's easy, and it's very enjoyable, and it tastes really nice. So guys, I hope you guys like, comment and subscribe because more recipes is on the way. Thank you guys, and I'll see you next time.